Hey, what's up guys? So today, recording this video today. I should have recorded of me doing this project. Like I like having this shit. Stop this phone. Like I should be recording it, but I got an update on my CRV. First update. I got my CRV. My CRV got a snorkel on it now. Don't worry about him. That's my mate. I finally got a snorkel installed. So what are you gonna say? This is which tell your channel down?
This is Honda CRV time.
Honda CRV time. Well, I'll show you what I've done underneath.
Nothing.
It's stock at least. Fuck, my hands are. Nah, my hands are fucked. Give me a sec. Can you open the fucking bonnet? It's a bit of a hassle. It's underneath my UHF. I do have a UHF on it now.
Why did you put UHF there?
It's the only place where I can actually put it.
You're an idiot.
It's the only place I can actually put it. It's behind it. Oh, fucking move. Wait a minute. With us.
You're the worst mechanic.
No, it's the only easy place where I can put it.
Well, it's not
Give me
easy.
a sec.
It's not easy because you can't open your bonnet.
No, fucking, I do it all the time. Well, that's my UHF. Hooked up. Snorkel. Like I said, I should have recorded us doing it, but you ought to hear us getting pissed. I'm more like me getting fucking pissed off. Well, she's not pretty. That's all I'm gonna say. What do you think? She's not pretty?
Timu special.
Yep, Timu special. It's called Bush Mechanic. Get it right. Bush Mechanic. Yeah, but the thing is, this is technically the Bush Mechanic, and with Bush Mechanic, more like we're doing it ourselves.
More like
Shitty ways.
dodging it up.
That's what Bush Mechanic is. So I'm all like got one bolt holding the box on because I've tried doing it other ways. You should know how we feel about that. We tried doing a pipe just on there and forget about this, but didn't work out, so I just fucking jammed that back on. Worked perfectly, solid. This dude did a nice paint job over the paint.
Very good paint job.
Yep. But now, I need some tinted window. I'm picking up some 4-wheel tyres Monday.
Are they all-terrain ones or mud terrains?
All terrains.
That's lame.
Well, I could do all that once, everything at once. Anyway, let's give her a bit of a run.
Just blows up.
Fucking better not. What do you reckon it will do?
It'll start up like normally, hopefully. It's not in gear, is it? We don't need a video fucking accident.
Nah, she's in park.
Straight into the
I can feel air going out of it.
sucking.
She's got air.
A little bit. It's got air coming out. Now it's sucking.
Can't hear it. I can't hear it go. Can't hear it whistle.
Because you got no turbo.
Oh yeah. She's sucking air? Wait, is that good?
Yes.
Because that means there's no fucking leaks. Does that mean there's no leaks for it? No air. No, I mean like air leak.
Probably a couple of
Well, next video we're gonna be hoping to do is next sport in about 2 weeks' time. I'll record when these get in for all the 4 new tyres installed. Next fortnight we're going up to a 4-and-drive track for me to send it through some decent mud, and I'm gonna be recording. I'm gonna get myself I don't have a tripod for my phone, so like I'm using my phone at the moment, but I'll try and I'm gonna try and get someone to be a cameraman for me, and I'm gonna try and record it, and we're gonna go for driving for a bit of a travel. Fuck. So I was sitting here and I'm like, fuck, I can feel air going out. And I'm like, it's a fan. But anyway, if you hit that like and subscribe button, we'll see you guys in about 2 weeks time, or when I send this baby in the mud and testing out my new snorkel. As well as I'm getting a roof rack done. I'm gonna be pick up the all new 4 sets of all terrains. I'm gonna be having a 2-inch at 2.5 lift kit, and then I'm gonna be having a turbo installed. I got a 79, pretty sure 79 series bull bar.
75 series.
75 series bull bar, steel bull bar. Just slap on here, and this time we're gonna record us making brackets for it, and I'm hopefully having a tripod where I can put it recording us on an angle of us doing the brackets. So in about, I might think about doing it another day, but when I get that sorted out, well, I'm gonna be hopefully making doing a proper video of me putting the bull bar on it. We're just gonna make homemade brackets, and then I'm gonna be putting a winch and everything. But anyway, oh fuck my phone. I'm a shit cameraman. Now fucking put my arm over the camera.
Yeah, that's about
So hit that like and subscribe button. What more? Comment below, and I'll see you in the next.